Hey guys, so I'm here at the Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park in London. It's a cloudy day, it's a bit windy, but I'm walking to the Copper Box Arena. Welcome to Trending Reviews, and this is the OnePlus 6 global launch.
69 pounds, 69 euros, and $69. But let's get ready for the specs. This is one of the most impressive spec sheets you're going to see this year. And there's quite a few things worth calling out here. The OnePlus 6 comes with the latest Snapdragon 845 processor and the Adreno 630 GPU. It comes with up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. On the networking front, it now supports 4x4 MIMO and dual SIM. The screen, it's 6.28 inches, and the camera now has both OIS and EIS. We heard you loud and clear on the OIS part. It comes with 16 and 20 megapixel dual cameras, both with apertures of f1.7. The phone is also water resistant to daily risks of splashes and weather. And yes, there's still a headphone jack. This is the OnePlus 6. Along with the mirror black, we're also releasing the midnight black and the silk white. OnePlus 6 also comes with Face Unlock, which takes only 0.4 seconds. You don't have to swipe. It takes you into the phone immediately, and people really loved this feature when we launched it on the OnePlus 5T. And this is what our friend Lewis had to say about it.
I pointed towards you, nada. Bam! It's a thing!
We come to portrait mode. And this has been a fan favorite ever since it launched with the OnePlus 5. And we've loved seeing the pictures you created using it. On the OnePlus 6, portrait mode is faster than ever before. Now, you no longer have to wait between taking a portrait and viewing it. In portrait mode, a secondary sensor allows the camera to calculate distance and therefore distinguish the foreground from the background. Being able to separate the two, portrait mode then drowns out the background and focuses on just the subject. But cameras are as much about fun as they are about precision. So for that reason, we've added great new range of effects like orbs, hearts, and stars, so you can add flair to your portraits too. More effort has gone into devising, developing, and refining this phone than any previous model. It comes in 3 boldly designed variants that represent simplicity, comfort, and quality. It has state-of-the-art hardware performance and power efficiency, and software optimized to perform better than ever before. The camera is now equipped with OIS for improved low-light performance, new portrait mode features, and slow motion. All these elements come together to create what we believe a fast and smooth experience should be. The OnePlus 6 will be available in these 2 variants, the Mirror Black and Midnight Black, starting May 22nd, with the limited edition Silk White on June 5th. So what's it gonna cost? We've taken a major step forward with this device. Does that mean a significant step up in price? From the beginning, our philosophy has always been about fair pricing, and this time, it's no exception. We're proud to tell you that the OnePlus 6 will start at £469, €519, and $529. Thank you. And here are the prices for the full range. We got a surprise for those of you who bought tickets to be here today. Do you want to know what it is? Yes! If you buy the OnePlus 6 from OnePlus.com, you will get free a pair of Bullets Wireless.
Right, so I've got my hands on a OnePlus 6, so I'm just playing around with the camera at the moment, seeing the different types of modes that they have on the camera, exploring the video mode, the photo mode here, looking at the app drawer, see how fast that opens up. A lot of apps here, I think it's running really smoothly. This is on Android 8.1. Now I'm just loading up a game, Players Unknown Battlegrounds, so just to see how quickly it opens up. They did mention in the keynote that there is a specific gaming mode that comes with the phone that you can turn on. It uses all of the processing power to load up the game, and it reduces all background apps to use the same amount of power that they were going to use initially. So just loading up to see how quickly that loads. It's done a pretty good job. Compared to my Samsung S9, it's a lot faster. And it does come with the notch, as you see there, but again, you can turn it off in the settings. And this is the Midnight Black, so I'm just having a look at the back, and it's got less fingerprints than the Mirror Black, but again, that is a glass panel at the back as well, even though it doesn't look like it. All in all, I think that's a really good phone. Now, they have retained the headphone jack, which is awesome. Everyone loves to keep their wired headphones. I think overall this is a good competition for a lot of the phones out there. I definitely think for the price you pay, it's one of the best phones out. So I'm going to be getting my hands on that and giving you a full review coming soon, so please do keep an eye out for that. So I just came back from the global launch. It was pretty awesome. They launched 2 new products, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless headphones and the OnePlus 6. So I'm going to give you a quick opening of the goodie bag that they gave you at the end. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to see what comes with it. So we got a sketchbook, nice little red book, cap, never settle, some OnePlus stickers, a never settle t-shirt in medium size, generic, and a Dash energy drink. I'm hoping to get the phone next week, so make sure you subscribe and keep an eye out on the latest reviews of that. I'm going to do some comparisons with the Samsung S9, and I'm going to give you a feature overview of everything the OnePlus 6 can offer, show you in action. So keep an eye out for that, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.